This is a cicada, they call it cicada market, and I will take a round trip. What is available? A lot of variety here. So I'm walking on a wrong side. Sausages, bomb sausages, and baked shrimp sausages, ice cream, and finally the rest, chicken rice and mayo. Yeah, I will remember this shop. I will buy for me. Rice and rice paddy. Almost you can say 50% locals and 50% foreigners. So as my friend was telling me that this city is the highest number of retirees, Westerners, the highest number. They just come here, buy the property or land or whatever, and have some business set up there. Yeah. So this market name is Tamarind Market. Excuse me, sorry. Tamarind Market. Again, there's a lot of food mart and bars, and finally you see the music around. Tamarind chicken chill. Let's go back. Ice cream. Bars, food shops. The right side is a parking lot. Just walk around, because I will buy the food at the beginning because I select 2 items there. So I will not buy the tamarind bar, Pepsi Cola ice cone. Nice, nice, but it's filled with humidity, hot weather. No smoking here, but you can drink. Amazing Thailand. See around. Bring back way. The other way around is tomorrow, all the day cooking and eating. Tonight we are also going somewhere at the church. The kiddos. Nice place, nice gathering, but it's hot a bit. Burger, chicken burger. I can buy for me some chicken burger. Take away. Take home, so we can eat later. Wow, what is that? Oh, it's a pig now. I'm gonna go back this way. What's up? Tom yumกุ้ง pad thai, shrimps, and some shrimps again. I will go back to the chicken corner if I can remember, buy something for tonight, because we are going to the church and then church will finish very late. So I believe that when I come back I will be looking for the food. Other than fruits, nothing there.
ครับเอาสีเขียวใส่เข้าไปนะครับแล้วก็ดึงสีแดงออกมานะฮะเพื่อความพัฒนาความสุขของทุกคนนะครับ
I see some chicken there. Maybe my left or straight. I have to go find it. Yeah, I see. Yeah, the chicken. The chicken. Where my chicken? Where's my chicken? 199. Eat cubes. Says something here. Wrong way. Going back. This is seafood again. Yeah, these are the sticks, premium Thai beef. Thank you. Found some chicken. Yeah, this one. I would like to take one. I don't know how much is it for one piece. For one whole chicken. Good sir. One whole chicken. It's a cute right there. Small 100. Anyway, have to buy.
ये मैंने लिया ये ले लो